Hello guys, this is Crypto Airdropper. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn $10 into $1,000 with this upcoming IDO that has the potential to give you 100x profit of your investment. So the name of the IDO is Shiba Galaxy. Shiba Galaxy is building a metaverse for all Shibas, play to earn NFT gaming, MBNB with NFTs, and much more. And the IDO will be launching on Memepad. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can join the IDO, and for those of you that might not be able to join the IDO, how you can be an early investor on the Shiba Galaxy once it's launched. So make sure you stay with me to the end of this video so that you don't miss out on anything important. But before that, this is Crypto Airdropper. I make videos about cryptocurrency airdrops and ways to make money online. And I want to thank you guys for 20k subscribers. I know I wouldn't have got here without you guys. So thank you for all the support. And as a sign of gratitude, I'll be doing a giveaway worth of $50 for my subscribers. So I'll be announcing the procedures in my next video on how to participate in the giveaway. So my last video, I made a video. In my last video, I showed you guys how you can participate in the KingPad IDO and how you can join the fair launch on PancakeSwap. And I made the announcement apart from my YouTube channel. I also made the announcement on my Telegram. I made the announcement also on my Telegram channel yesterday. That's before the launch. So that's why it's very important for you to subscribe to my Telegram channel, because I post signals on my Telegram channel, okay, about projects, crypto projects that have potential to do well. And you know, most of the projects I post on my channel are very time sensitive. That is, you need to lock into the opportunity as soon as you see it. If not, you end up missing out on the chance to make money from it. So I posted about it yesterday, and as you can see, the starting price was $0.07. That was about 7 cents. And currently on CoinMarketCap, the price of KingPad is, as you can see now, currently price of KingPad on CoinMarketCap is about $5.94, and in the last 24 hours it has gone as high as $7.19. So just imagine, let's do the maths. So let's say for example you bought $10 worth of this at $0.07, that's 7 cents, and you got this much. Let's just say approximately you go 142 crown, that's KingPad tokens. Multiplying it by the current price right now, which is 5.94. Okay, so that's the amount of profit you will have made. Now let's say you take out your $10, you will have made $833. That's about 80x your investment. Okay, so that's why that was what I told you about, and this one I'll be telling you about has the potential to even do better than KingPad. Okay, because it will be a way for you to, because their plan is to join all the Shibas together on the metaverse. I will be telling you much more on subsequently. So that is why, if you're an early member on my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, hit the bell icon beside it to turn on notification, so that as soon as I upload any video on my YouTube channel, YouTube will notify you immediately, so that you not miss out on that opportunity. Because now, take for example, those of you that didn't see this video on time would have not might have not gotten to invest on this project and have missed out on a lot of profit right now. Okay, so make sure you do that, and make sure you also join my Telegram channel, because I usually post the announcements there before I post it on my YouTube channel. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get to the main topic of the day. So the main topic of the day is the Shiba Galaxy, and like I mentioned, it will be launching on Memepad. Okay, so Shiba Galaxy is building a metaverse for all Shibas on the Binance Smart Chain. Shiba Galaxy is united by a history long forgotten. Shiba Galaxy is currently under attack, and all hope lies on the Shiba warriors to keep angry bears and dragons from invading the metaverse. So the features of the Shiba Galaxy is it's an easy play to earn NFT game, Shiba Bull buy back, NFT marketplace, fight angry bears and dragon lords. Shiba Galaxy also play Team KYCED and Antibots by the Solid Group. So the IDO date is today. That's December 3rd today by 16:30 UTC, and the listing date is tomorrow by 14:30 UTC. So I'll be telling you guys how you can join the IDO and how you can be an early investor once it's listed. Yeah, so mostly this kind of projects are usually listed on PancakeSwap. So the trick to getting early is to buy the tokens during the listing. That's at the listing price on PancakeSwap. So they'll be launching listing with an initial market cap of $175,000, and this kind of project has the potential to have to that's after it's listed, has the potential for its market cap to go as high as $1 million or more in just a matter of minutes. Okay, so to learn more about it, you can check out their website, their Twitter, their Telegram official chat, their announcement channel. You can find all the links on my Telegram channel. Okay, so now without any further ado, let me show you guys how you can join the IDO on Memepad. So to join this, you need to open up the Memepad platform. So to be eligible for all IDOs in the Memepad that I mentioned, like I explained in the video yesterday, you need to stake at least 10,000 Memepad tokens on the platform for you to be eligible for any of their IDOs. And you can buy the Memepad from several exchanges like the PancakeSwap. It's also on Gate.io or much more. You can find more information about that on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Okay, all you have to do is you go over there, search for Memepad. Once you do that, you copy the contract address, go to your PancakeSwap, and you make the purchase. Okay, so it's as easy as that. So once you have bought the Memepad tokens, then you come over to the website memepad.co. Make sure that's the link you go to. Then you click on staking. Once you go to click on staking, that's after you've bought your Memepad. The minimum you need is 10,000, which will give you the pleb tier level. Once you stake 69,000, you'll be at the there are actually three tier levels. There's the pleb, there's the knight, and there's the king. So there's the elon, I mean there's the pleb, there's the elon, three of them. 10,000 will give you the first tier level, 69,000 for second tier level, and 430,000 for the third tier level. Okay, so once you've bought it, the minimum is 10,000. You come over here and you stake it on the Memepad IDO pool. Make sure you're staking it on the Memepad IDO pool. Okay, make sure that's it. Don't stake it on the Memepad new pool or the MWAR pool. Make sure it's the IDO pool, which will make you eligible for the IDOs on Memepad, and you can unstake it at any time. Okay, so once you've staked it, then you click on your projects. The project will come up. Okay, so once the projects are open, to learn more about the staking and all, you can watch the video I made yesterday about KingPad. I explained it better there because I didn't want to make this video too long, so that's why I'm not going into it much. Okay, so once you've done that, and you click on Shiba Galaxy, once they've taken their snapshot and they've distributed allocation, you'll be able to see your allocation here. Okay, that's before the sale starts. Okay, because the sale, according to countdown, the sale will start in approximately 6 hours. So you still have 6 hours from the time of making this video to purchase Memepad and stake it. Okay, so once they've taken the snapshot, the allocations will be seen here. Okay, though the allocations will be here. Okay, so once you see your allocation here and the sale starts, all you have to do is you just join the pool. Okay, a button will appear showing you how to join. All you have to do is just click on it, and then you just need to contribute the BNB. So you'll be using BNB to invest here, not BUSD. So you need to have BNB, Binance Smart Chain. So once you click on it, you put the amount of BNB you want to invest on the project. So once you do that, they'll take your BNB, you complete the transaction, and once distribution starts the after that's after the IDO, there will be the vesting. That's the TGE is after the IDO you get 40% TGE. After the IDO, was it 30 minutes, I think, after that you get 40% TGE, then you get the rest over 2 months. Within 2 months you get the rest of your tokens. Okay, so you can find out more about that on the Memepad and on the Memepad official Telegram channel. So that's how you can participate in the IDO. And the second method of being an early investor on the Shiba Galaxy token is by buying early. That's once it's listed, you need to buy it on PancakeSwap. Okay, so all to do that is very simple. All you need is the contract address for Shiba Galaxy. So the contract address is not ready yet, but it will be ready before they are listed. Okay, that's during listing, which is tomorrow at 14:30 UTC. They'll share the contract address on the Telegram channel and the official channel. Make sure you only use the one from the official channels so that you not end up being scammed. Okay, so once you get the contract address there, you now go to your PancakeSwap and you can buy the tokens at the listing price very early before it starts pumping. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. If you got value from this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet at this juncture, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you have any questions, any suggestions, feel free to drop it in the comment section below, and make sure you share this with your friends and family, because you can never tell who needs this video right now. Peace.